Welcome home, friend! You're going to love this luxurious community called Watercress, where you get to choose from many inviting open concept floor plans that are truly built for the way that you live. Situated on extra wide, pool-sized home sites, you get the opportunity to tailor-make your home to fit your unique needs. These options include extra bedrooms, media rooms, 3 to 4 car garages, and so much more. Conveniently located just 4 miles from Alliance Town Center and less than 2 miles from main highways, Watercress offers a serene small town feel with the amenities of larger city living. Situated on over 100 acres, this Haslet community offers miles of hikes and bike trails, fishing ponds, and more. During the summer, relax in the amenity center featuring a resort-style pool with beach entry, covered outdoor seating, an event lawn, and game courts. Children living in Watercress will attend the highly acclaimed Northwest ISD. You're going to love where you live in Watercress, so schedule a tour with us, Margie and Ludwin, to get added incentives when shopping for your new construction home in the Norfolk Worth area. It's going to be fun.